Let's practice this idea of the invisible hand and reaching a market equilibrium, starting with a price that's lower than the equilibrium price. So suppose, for example, that the price of eggs was set at $1 per dozen. Well, the problem with this price is that at this price, quantity demanded exceeds quantity supplied. We can read off the demand curve to find the quantity demanded, and here it is, right here. And we can read off the supply curve what is the quantity supplied, and here it is right here. And we have excess demand. Another way of thinking about excess demand is thinking about it as a shortage. There are a lot of people looking for eggs, but there aren't a lot of eggs available. So what do you think will happen? There'll be long lines or queues for people waiting to look for eggs. Maybe there will be a stampede on the stores that are selling eggs in order to get those eggs at this low price of $1. And because of that, the firms will realize that there's excess demand and that people really want the product that they have. And as a result, what they'll do is they'll start raising the price of eggs. And as the price of eggs starts to go up, as it converges towards an equilibrium, two things happen. First of all, some of the consumers are going to give up and are going to say, I was interested in buying eggs at $1 a dozen, but I'm not interested at $2 a dozen, maybe because I can't afford it, or maybe because I already have some eggs at home, so why bother if the price is $2 a dozen? Whatever the reason is, some consumers drop out of the market, so the quantity demanded decreases. And also, as the price increases, because the supply curve is upward sloping, quantity supplied will increase. So we have quantity supplied increasing, and again, we're going to converge to the equilibrium. The power of the invisible hand says that if the price is too high, there'll be pressure on the price to drop, and if the price is too low, there'll be pressure on the price to increase. And there really is only one price. That price where quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied, that market equilibrium price where things are stable, where things are in equilibrium. And that is where the market will converge to.